table now. This is fresh tap water from the sink over there. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in. Look at that. Not only is it wet, but it's wet on the bottom and it's pouring water out. See that, camera guy? Okay, now watch how the Cham-Ye does it. I'm going to put really high pressure on it, so beware. I'm going to get a gun. Okay, look at that. See that? It's still wet. See? Watch this. Look how the Cham-Ye does it. See? It's still virtually. See? You see those spots of water stills, right? Not towels gonna do that. Yeah, see what I mean? Squeeze the water out. That's not even 50% of the water. Okay, watch this, Greg. That's even more than the Cham-Ye. See what I mean? Okay, we're going to soak this water now in it. See? Watch this. Look, it didn't even absorb it. See that? That's not even 10% of the water. See? Take a paper towel, put it in, let it cool down for a bit, and look at that. That's even better than the Cham-Ye. Follow me to the bathroom now. Okay, here's the Cham-Ye. I'm going to pour it with water with this cup here. Darn, I got my clothes wet. Oh, whatever. See? It's wet, right? You see the dripping? See it? Mm-hmm. Okay, look at this, camera guy. That's not even 10% of water. Okay, now I'm going to get a cup. Watch this. Look at that. That's a mess. See, look at that. Putting high pressure in it. See, look at that. That's still so much. So little, I mean. Now, hey, camera guy, can you get that piece of rag over there on the kitchen table? Fine, I'll get it. Here's a rag. Now watch the rag. I'm going to soak it. Watch this. That's even more, eh? Now if I wet the rag more, watch this. That's even more. See what I mean? The Cham-Ye is really good and awesome. Oh, this is impossible. Ow, my eye! Of water. Chip. Fell in. Okay, let's go back to the studio. I'm gonna grab a ping pong ball. Watch this. The ShamWow could do a magic trick. You didn't know that, but
It's a sham, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm talking about a sham wow, camera guy. Don't complain. Okay, watch this. The sham yeah is going to do magic. Dun, dun. Look at that. It's gone. Ah, look at that. It's in the claw. No, nothing can do that. Okay. Camera guy? You still remember my lines? Because I forgot the rest. Oh! Why should you do that? Why didn't you know my lines? You're the camera guy! Camera! Oh! I'm going to strip this on your head.
Yes, your hair's wet.
Those skills! What's my skills? Oh, come on! Oh, come on! I just got pulled!
We will now be ending this commercial. Bye-bye now.
Wait, camera guy! I'm gonna do it!
We will now be ending